and the first werewolf was born, and the great rift between and werewolf began. 1,000 years of prejudice and ignorance on both sides, that ends tonight.
What the dickens?
You okay, son?
Now, I know what you're thinking. That Howlington Academy is strictly a wolf-only school, but I beg to differ. Have changed. Have you? I said have changed.
Huh? What's that? Oh, right.
Today you might find a helping those in need, protecting our citizens, or winning children's hearts. Is it any wonder that man's best friend?
Ooh. Bravo, son. Bravo.
Principal.
A very compelling argument.
So, you'll let me try out for Howlington Academy?
You've got my vote. Do we all agree? At Howlington, have you lost your minds? It's a training academy for the night patrol, not a...
Times change, brother. The pack must change too.
Never! Can't trust a